New at 4 sources tell CBS News that the New York grand jury investigating former President Donald Trump is nearly done, but there's no timeline for any sort of announcement.
For now, it is a waiting game for the former president and various law enforcement agencies bracing for protest. CBS News Michael George has the latest developments in the case from New York.
Jim, Marie, whether former President Trump is criminally charged or not will be decided by a grand jury. And that grand jury was supposed to meet here today, but sources tell CBS News they were told not to come in. Right now, it's not clear what that means for the case. Manhattan District Attorney Alvin Bragg arrived at a New York courthouse Wednesday, but law enforcement sources tell CBS News the grand jury considering whether to indict former President Donald Trump was told to stay home. The grand jury is looking into allegations Trump may have falsified records to hide campaign finance violations in connection with the 2016 payment to adult film star Stormy Daniels. Trump, who's running for president in 2024, says the entire investigation is politically motivated.
Our enemies are desperate to stop us.
The former president has called on his supporters to protest. He's also using the case to raise money.
This former president knows how to spin things his way and how to turn something that's straw into gold.
While the wait continues, the former president's plane could be seen being serviced on the tarmac in Florida. The grand jury typically meets on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. It's unclear if it will convene tomorrow. Police are on high alert for the possibility of violence from pro-Trump extremists. There's a heavy police presence outside the courthouse. There are also extra security measures in place in front of Trump Tower. Now, some legal experts have speculated that if Trump is indicted, he could be charged with falsifying business records, which is a misdemeanor in most cases. By the way, there's no law prohibiting someone from running for office while facing charges, even if convicted. In Manhattan, Michael George. Jim, Marie, back to you.
Michael, thanks so much. You can always turn to our streaming network for the latest information in the Trump case. The moment there are any developments, you'll see them on CBS News Chicago, on the News and Opinion page on Pluto TV, and through the CBS News app on Fire TV and Roku.